Currently, I have both the Google Ads tag as well as the Google Analytics tag on my ClickFunnels. And what I want to do is I want to combine them both, because what's happening right now is I'm getting two hits, two conversions, which obviously isn't ideal. Um, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine them into one. As you can see, they're sort of exactly the same, but the only difference is there's this link. Obviously, I'm going to cover the sensitive things, but I'm going to show you guys how to combine them. So you want to start with the Google Analytics tag, which I had on the bottom, and I had my Google AdWords tag on top. And as you can see, what you want to do is you want to copy the G tag config AW copy and put it underneath the Google AdWords Google Analytics tag. And that's it. That's how you consolidate the two Google Ads and Google Analytics into one. So now I got this one. Go ahead and copy this, and I'll replace the two separate codes I have on my ClickFunnels. Yeah, and it's simple as that. It's a pretty simple video. This was sort of really confusing to me at first. I did a lot of reading to sort of figure this out. I was getting two conversions. My metrics were a bit stuffed up. Like every conversion I'd get would pop up as two. So hopefully this helps you guys. Peace.
Yeah, yeah.